Oh my God, wow. I absolutely have to say this is the best one yet by a mile.
Es muy bueno.
Welcome back to another episode of Dessert Won't Hurt, the series where I turn your favourite snacks into protein-packed desserts that won't affect your waistline or your performance in your workouts. In today's episode, I'm going to make Nutella pancakes with ice cream, and as always, we'll keep it under 500 calories and over 40 grams of protein. Honestly, I think you're going to be shocked at the calorie total in this recipe. It looks and tastes like it's going to be a diet killer, but is it? Stay until the end of the video to find out. All of the nutritional info will be there, and as always, we'll have loads of laughs along the way. Let's get into the video. Once you see how this recipe turns out, you are going to want to try it yourself. So I've listed and linked all of the ingredients in the video description. So go ahead and satisfy your sweet tooth the right way. As always, when it comes to protein pancakes, we have to remember to put some fruit chunks in the pancake as we're cooking it to keep it moist. Often I'll use blueberries, but today I went for banana to complement the Nutella flavour. Check to see if the pancake moves freely over the surface of the pan. Then you know it's ready for the flip. Oh, fitness. Can we edit this bit out?
Es muy bueno.
Oh my God, wow. I absolutely have to say this is the best one yet by a mile. To actually get Nutella and ice cream involved in a high protein dessert that's under 500 calories is an absolute miracle, but it's been achieved right here. Do you think it's the best one yet? You can take a look at all of my previous Dessert Won't Hurt episodes using the playlist link that I provided in the description below. Take a look at those recipes and let me know which one is your favourite. I hope you enjoyed that recipe as much as I did. If you have made it this far, there is a big red button down there. Subscribe. Click that for me and the bell too so you get the notification when the next video goes live. We smashed our target of 50 likes in the last video, which I appreciate a lot. So let's keep that momentum going strong and aim for 100 likes this time. To hit that target, I'm going to need the support from my active community. So share this video with someone who you think will enjoy my content, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up yourself. If you'd like to tell us your favourite snack that you'd like to see featured in the next video, use the comment section below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Es muy bueno.